Hake fillets in creamy white wine and cilantro sauce. High heat, half stick of butter. Medium heat. Shred half cup of this. Cook for 3 minutes each side on medium heat. Salt it to your taste. 1 cup of heavy cream. Remove the fish and set it aside. I left the thick part of the fish a little longer to cook well. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of bell peppers. 2 tablespoons of tomatoes. 1 Serrano hot pepper. Looking good. Half cup of dry white wine. Let the alcohol evaporate. Black pepper. 1 sazón pack. 2 tablespoons of cilantro. 2 tablespoons of scallion onions. 1 cup of heavy cream. Half cup of parmigiano reggiano. Cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. Put your fish in. Leave it for 1 minute, mix and enjoy. You can serve it with pasta or white rice. Lemon, please. Please let me know if this video was helpful or not in the comments.